Welcome to an extraordinary journey through the most breathtaking caves in Chile. From the awe-inspiring marble caves to the historically significant Milodon Cave, we'll delve deep into the heart of these subterranean realms. Prepare to be amazed by the natural wonders hidden beneath the surface. Our exploration will take us through time, revealing ancient geological processes and the remnants of prehistoric life. We'll encounter unique ecosystems and marvel at the remarkable adaptations of creatures that call these caves home. Deep in the heart of Patagonia, nestled amongst the turquoise waters of General Carrera Lake, lies a spectacle of nature's artistry. These are the Marble Caves, a labyrinth of caverns sculpted over millennia by the relentless caress of glacial water. The walls, a mesmerizing tapestry of swirling blues and whites, seem to shimmer and dance in the reflected light. The marble, polished smooth by the lake's ebb and flow, possesses an almost translucent quality, allowing light to penetrate deep within, creating an ethereal glow. As we navigate the labyrinthine passages by boat, the caves echo with the gentle lapping of water against stone. Sunlight, filtering through narrow openings above, paints streaks of brilliance on the cavern walls, illuminating hidden grottos and revealing the intricate details of the marble's striations. The Marble Caves are not merely a geological wonder. They are a testament to the patient hand of time, a masterpiece crafted over countless seasons. The very air within the caves seems to hum with the echoes of the past, a silent symphony played out over eons. Look closely and you'll see the subtle variations in the marble's hues, a testament to the different minerals present. White streaks of pure calcite intermingle with bands of blue and gray, each layer a chapter in the cave's long history. The water, too, plays a crucial role in this subterranean ballet. Its clarity is such that we can see deep into its depths, revealing the submerged portions of the caves, a mirror image of the wonders above. Occasionally, a shaft of sunlight pierces the surface, illuminating the depths with an otherworldly glow. It's a scene of almost magical beauty, a testament to the hidden wonders that lie beneath the surface of our planet. These caves, carved from the very bones of the earth, are a testament to the power and artistry of nature. They are a place of quiet contemplation, a sanctuary where the relentless march of time seems to slow to a standstill. Our journey takes us to Milodon Cave, a vast cavern shrouded in mist and legend. Here in Patagonia, echoes of the past resonate through the chambers. The entrance hints at secrets held within. Deeper inside, the air grows heavy, broken only by bat wings. Over 10,000 years ago, Milodons sought refuge here. These giant sloths once roamed these lands. In 1895, a discovery rocked the scientific world. Well-preserved Milodon remains were found. This find offered a window into a lost world. Today, a replica stands at the cave entrance. We can almost feel the presence of these ancient beings. Milodon Cave is a testament to nature's power. The cave supports a surprising diversity of life. Bats flit through the darkness. Insects scuttle amongst the rocks, while fungi break down organic matter. Milodon Cave is a place of mystery and wonder. It sparks our imagination and reminds us of incredible biodiversity. Our exploration now takes us to the slopes of Villarrica volcano, where we'll venture into a subterranean world forged by fire, the Villarrica lava caves. Here, beneath the Earth's surface, lies a testament to the raw power of nature, a labyrinth of tunnels and chambers formed by the flow of molten rock. As we descend into the darkness, the air grows noticeably warmer, and the faint scent of sulfur hangs in the air, a reminder of the volcano's slumbering might. The walls, composed of hardened lava, are rough and jagged, a testament to the violence of their creation. These caves were formed during past eruptions, when rivers of molten lava flowed down the volcano's slopes. As the outer surface of the lava flow cooled and solidified, the molten rock beneath continued to flow, carving out these subterranean tunnels. The play of light and shadow within the caves is mesmerizing. Our headlamps illuminate the darkness, revealing intricate patterns on the walls, formed by the flow and cooling of the lava. We can almost feel the heat of the molten rock that once flowed here, shaping this underground world. In some places, Stalactites and stalagmites, formed by the slow dripping of mineral-rich water, add to the otherworldly beauty of the caves. These delicate formations, a stark contrast to the rough lava walls, are a reminder that even in the most extreme environments, life finds a way. Exploring these caves is like taking a journey back in time, to a period when the Earth was a much more volatile place. It's a humbling experience, a reminder of the immense power that lies beneath our feet. As we emerge from the caves, blinking in the sunlight, we carry with us a newfound appreciation for the forces that have shaped our planet. The Villarrica lava caves, a testament to the Earth's fiery heart, offer a glimpse into the hidden world that lies beneath the surface. Our journey takes us north now, to the sun-drenched landscapes of the Elqui Valley, where we'll explore Pichasca Cave, a site steeped in history and archaeological significance. Here, within these ancient walls, we'll uncover traces of human presence dating back thousands of years, offering a glimpse into the lives of Chile's earliest inhabitants. Pichasca Cave, perched high on a rocky hillside, has provided shelter to humans for millennia. Its strategic location, offering panoramic views of the surrounding valley, made it an ideal spot for hunting and gathering communities. Within the cave's depths, archaeologists have unearthed a treasure trove of artifacts, including stone tools, pottery shards, and the remnants of ancient hearths. These remnants of daily life, carefully preserved by the dry desert climate, paint a vivid picture of the people who once called this cave home. Amongst the most significant discoveries are the cave paintings, faded images of animals and geometric patterns adorning the cave walls. These ancient artworks, thought to be thousands of years old, offer a tantalizing glimpse into the beliefs and rituals of these early cultures. As we examine these fragile remnants of the past, we can almost hear the echoes of those who came before us. We can imagine them huddled around fires, sharing stories and passing down their knowledge from one generation to the next. Pichasca Cave is a poignant reminder of the deep connection between humans and the natural world. For millennia, these caves provided shelter, safety, and a sense of place for the people who lived here. Today, the cave stands as a testament to their ingenuity and resilience, a living museum that connects us to our shared human history. As we stand within its ancient embrace, we are reminded that we are but one chapter in the long and ongoing story of humanity. Our final destination takes us back to Patagonia, to a place shrouded in mystery and legend, Cueva del Milodon. This enormous cavern, carved into the side of a mountain, has captivated the imaginations of locals and explorers alike for centuries. Cueva del Milodon is more than just a cave. It is a place where myth and reality intertwine. Local folklore speaks of a giant creature, a fearsome beast that once roamed these lands, its presence forever etched in the stories passed down through generations. While the existence of such a creature remains unproven, the cave itself is undeniably impressive. Its sheer size is awe-inspiring, its entrance a gaping maw that could easily swallow a house. Stepping inside is like entering another world, a realm of perpetual twilight and hushed silence. The cave's interior is a testament to the forces of erosion, with towering walls sculpted by wind and water over millennia. Huge boulders, remnants of past rockfalls, litter the cave floor, while stalactites and stalagmites, formed by the slow drip of mineral-rich water, create an eerie, otherworldly atmosphere. As we venture deeper into the cave, the air grows heavy with moisture, and the silence is broken only by the sound of our own footsteps. The darkness is all-encompassing, our headlamps illuminating only a small circle of the vast chamber. It's easy to see how this place could inspire legends. The play of light and shadow, the echoing silence, and the sheer scale of the cave all combine to create an atmosphere of mystery and intrigue. Whether or not a giant creature ever roamed these caverns, Cueva del Milodon remains a place of wonder and fascination. It is a testament to the power of nature to inspire awe and ignite our imaginations. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Chile's most breathtaking caves. From the ethereal beauty of the marble caves to the historical significance of Milodon Cave, we've witnessed the wonders that lie hidden beneath the surface. These subterranean realms, shaped by the relentless forces of nature over millennia, offer a glimpse into the Earth's history and the incredible diversity of life that it supports. They remind us of the power and beauty of the natural world and the importance of preserving these fragile ecosystems for generations to come. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.